Good morning. Good morning. Kev has a hangover from a weekend in Barcelona. Don't you? No, no hangover.
Yeah, no.
Got a headache?
No, I'm just a bit run down.
Groggy. Groggy is the word. Setting up the investor list to pair them with some deals that we've got, putting that into place, going to a meeting today, haven't we? Yes, got a meeting at 1 o'clock with media production team. We have a viewing at 2 o'clock, and I have something else I want to show you guys as well. But this morning was all about planning and organisation. That's the key, because it's been a tough couple of months, and just got to ride the storm. That's what we've got to do. So planning is essential.
So I feel like in this property, it's probably not a full backed brick. It's definitely going to be like just the stripping of the walls, because they're not that bad. Just the texture wise, it's nothing that needs to be taken back to brick at all. This is nice, this is. Oh, okay. Oh my God. So that is a lot, that's a big strip out. Really? People underestimate how hard that is to like get through that.
Have you been viewing a few today?
No, this is just the first one today, but we've obviously had a few within the week. But I've not seen not been like that in the garden, I can guarantee that. Yes, so definitely in here we could knock. There's a lot of chimney breasts, so they would definitely be removed, because that would make it a very good additional space, even though these rooms are actually really good sizes. To be fair, it's a very decent size. Yeah, this is good. I feel like you would just board it up though. I don't think you would bring a room down here at all. I wouldn't personally. It's very, very low. Even for you, it's too low. Yeah, I think this would just literally be boarding up. It's just, there's no point. You wouldn't really bring any value by refurbing this at all. So, let's definitely go.
Breaking down my LinkedIn, going to get verified on there because it needs it basically. I've got like 12 or 13,000 followers. I need to put a little bit more time into LinkedIn. We've got a viewing at 3 o'clock today. We've just broken down the deal, me and Kev, gone through it, got the end values, got the refurb cost, what we want to pay for it. We know there's movement, motivated seller. And now I'm about to have a FaceTime with my website designer and the person who handles our Go High level. And we're moving, baby. We're moving. You know, I've just took you on a whim because we wasn't coming here today.
Yeah.
I've just bought you on a whim, but I'm thinking of like, because there's a lot of legislation, regulation. There's a lot of different structural things that need doing, fire reports, all that kind of stuff. I'm thinking of doing a day here next week where I put a pack together.
Yeah.
And I let people come.
How you do that.
Might charge like 99 quid or something for a tour, and make because I think this could be a real good learning point. But again, I think it's only a good learning point for people who are a little bit more advanced.
Yeah.
Because for basic people,
Yeah.
this is a difficult.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, this is like levels. So
Just commercial to residential.
yeah. But
But
again,
people buying buildings to
We're a bit
do they plan permission before or after they purchase it?
it depends on what building you're buying and who the landlord is. Because some people won't allow you to go in for planning. Because they're like, well, if you don't get it, you're not buying it, so you're wasting my time. Unless you leave them a deposit and say, like, if I don't get planning, there's 20 grand or 10 grand or 30 grand, whatever. But 9 times out of 10, that doesn't work unless it's land. So with land, you can do a deal where you can do some sort of lease option agreement where you leave a deposit, a small deposit, 10, 20, 30 grand again. And you say, if I get planning, I'll buy it for X amount. If I don't get planning, you get to keep the deposit. has actually genuinely made me forget the day. It's probably Dion. Thank you very much for this. Very kind.
Business is good.
He signed a new contract, which is probably one of the hardest things in the world to get. I know all about it, and he got it. There's levels. There's levels. So now what he needs is properties. The more properties he can obtain, he can pay a higher rental to certain people. You can pay a higher rental because once he gets like, let's say, how many units you got under your belt? Do you know how many rooms you got at the minute?
To the one I am having 3.
Okay, so if you can get up to double figures and show the council that you've got up to double figures, have you got attendants?
1.
Can you get more now?
I think so, yeah.
So how do you get them now?
So council and social worker put the referral to my company email. So we need to go and assist it. Which one fits for our...
Okay. But if you start putting out to the council that you've got properties, they can then start looking for the people to put into the properties and work the opposite way instead of giving you the people. Great meeting, all wrapped up, done and dusted. I had one of my mentor students there. She's incredible. She's just over there now grabbing a coffee. And it was with a guy that owns an estate agent. He does multi-blocks. He's been buying a few properties off me. I'm going to source him a few properties, all multi-blocks and HMOs, quite big chunky properties basically. And all new doors are opening. We have a whole new system when it comes to the sourcing division. We're doing different things in there, trying to level up. Obviously the sourcing fees are great when you're getting 3, 4, 5, 6 grand, but the ones where you're getting 8s and 10s and 15s and 20s, obviously, they're the ones that you want to be aiming for. It goes through cycles, but I haven't been to the mailbox for 6 months to a year. I'm coming back here. Have I got the urge to come back into Birmingham? Hell no.